The Cabinet has proposed a 25% levy on raw chrome ore exports as part of efforts to rescue ferrochrome industry, in direct response to the industry shedding jobs and high cost of electricity. Bear in mind that South Africa holds 70% of world's chrome. Chrome is used for fabrication of ferroalloys used in stainless steel manufacturing. Analysts are projecting that the 25% levy could raise 30 billion annually for the fiscals. However, the Minister of Finance will be in a better position to calculate this value of the 25% levy. I believe that South Africa should also take a stand on beneficiation of minerals. South Africa holds all the cards as the world's leading producer of chrome. Therefore, we should take full advantage of this, as it could result in foreign direct investment and creation of jobs. Please listen to the next segment for South African government's viewpoint on this matter.
That the use of the tool of export control is becoming widespread, as we see in the United States, as we see in Taiwan, as we see in the People's Republic of China. And certainly we have had that instrument, as I say, for over 5 decades. Wastes and scraps of what are called critical minerals are already under export control in South Africa already. And so this is part of, I guess, our unfolding industrial strategy, which of course is considering chrome in this instance, alongside the other considerations on the energy side of things, which Cabinet would have given some attention to in June. I think the intention is to make the terms of access to the feedstock material more favorable than our global counterparts for domestic fabricators and domestic smelters. If you add a tax alongside the licensing regime, the outcome that is intended is for the exported material to have a relative price premium compared to the product that would be available to domestic smelters. And arising from that, and if you resolve the energy pricing challenges, it is a competitiveness enhancing play on the part of the policymakers who are using these trade instruments to at least change the terms of access to feedstock and, of course, the competitive environment within which our smelters operate.